Hey, what's up everybody? I recently made an IGTV video about this wallpaper behind me, so I'm going to remake it into, check it out. So I put up wallpaper in our guest bedroom slash office slash warehouse slash storage slash everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the journey of this wallpaper. I was tired of looking at white walls, and I don't like the thought that just because you're a renter that you have to wait till you own a house to make it look like yours. So I said, after we sign this lease again, unfortunately, I'm gonna have the walls how I like them. All right, this is the wall that the wallpaper is gonna go up on. I don't know if I can do this by myself, but I'm gonna try.